that the access to higher education for some people with disabilities might be challenged. Even people with one and the same disability may face different barriers, and this is the first and the most important thing that people who are busy with providing access should be aware of, because if you are a person with physical impairment, you may have a different needs than other person with the same disability. So this means that we should recognize first the individual needs of a person who is entering the university or other higher education institution. Then both administrative staff and teaching staff should work together in order to support the students from the first day till the last day of his or her graduation. It's a long process. It requires systematic efforts. It's not a one-time effort just to ensure that the doors are accessible or the person can enter the classroom. It's the whole process that should be observed, and this should be cooperation between the higher education professionals and the students themselves. The assistive technologies are also very important. What I would say is that during the whole process, really the person with disability should collaborate and should share what are their specific needs, what barriers he or she faces, and how they can be overcome. On the other hand, the educational system should help students to fully realize their potential, and this is only possible if the person have conditions to show his or her capabilities using assistive technologies, because disabilities impose some limitations, but these limitations can be fully compensated by a relevant assistive technology, and the human factor is equally important, because we have different technologies in our days, advanced technologies, but the human factor and the attitudes of professionals are also of high importance.
It's really important to have all project partners here at our meeting in Nottingham, partners from India, Bangladesh, but also our partner countries in Europe too. We'll be talking about not just about assistive technology, which can support students with disabilities and higher education, but more specifically, how can we support them at transition as well? Assistive technology for entering the world of work after university as well. And tomorrow, we're very excited to have a special guest, Shamima Akhtar from Policy Connect. And Shamima will be talking about specifically assistive technology to support students with disabilities in higher education and then entering the world of work.